Hello, we are the students of the Orchid School, and our team consists of Sara, Aranya, Paras, Sameer, Sandeep, and me, Deva. Let me tell you something about our city. Pune, formerly known as Pune, is the second largest city in the Indian state of Maharashtra after Mumbai, and the eighth most populous city in India with an estimated population of 7.4 million as of 2020. It has been described as the most livable city in India several times. Pune is also widely regarded as the second major IT hub of India and the top automobile and manufacturing hub of India. It is known as Oxford of the East with the presence of a wide range of educational institutions. The city is famous for the great Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The climate of Pune is suitable to reside in, so many people have settled there. Today, Pune has many complexes, shopping malls, and multiplexes. There are many research centers present in Pune too.
Now, let's look at Pune's cuisine. Pune has a large variety of dishes. Vada pav is a potato patty eaten in a pav or bun. Misal pav is a savory lentil gravy served with pav. Bakar vadi is fried dough made into spirals stuffed with coconut filling, poppy seeds, and sesame seeds. Kanda poha is a snack made of puffed rice and onion. It is usually served during breakfast. Thalipeeth is a type of savory multigrain flatbread. Ukdi se modak. This is a unique and special Maharashtrian delicacy which is prepared during the Ganesh festival. It is sweet coconut filling inside a steamed rice flour coating. Sabudana khichdi. This is tapioca seeds cooked with ground peanuts. Shankarpari. These are sweetened deep fried dough squares. These were just a few examples of the famous dishes of Pune.
Pune's culture, heritage, and festivals. Pune exemplifies an indigenous Marathi culture where education, arts and crafts, and theatre are given due and equal importance. It has become an example for the blending of Indian culture and heritage with modernization. It is home to people from several religions. There are several ashrams or hermitages, palaces, museums, and universities throughout the city. The history of Pune is related to and interlinked with the reign of many different rulers and kings. These kings created and provided growth to the Maratha Empire. The city is home to many famous monuments such as the Shaniwar Wada, Aga Khan Palace, the Dagdu Shet Ganpati Temple, and many more. The people of Pune celebrate a variety of festivals, ranging from nationwide festivals like Eid, Diwali, and Holi to more local festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi. The festivals are an embodiment of the rich cultural heritage of the city. The festival in honor of the elephant-headed god Ganesha is celebrated with tremendous vigor and enthusiasm. It is the biggest and most glamorous festival of the city. It is characterized by the worship of Lord Ganesha's idol and by the playing of instruments such as dhol and tasha upon his departure.
Our school, the Orchid School, is in Baner, which is a suburb of Pune. In school, we learn scholastic subjects such as math, science, Hindi, etc., along with co-scholastic subjects such as sports and diverse types of fine arts such as dance and music. Every year, all the events and concerts are aligned based on a theme given. Founders Day, a celebration of 3 to 4 days, is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm by the staff and the students along with their director Dr. Lakshmi Kumar and other board members. Academic cycle. Each academic cycle starts in June and continues till the first week of April. The year is divided into terms. Each term consists of one unit test and one summative assessment. We have vacations for Diwali and Christmas in the months of November and December.
We have decided to make a product which we call the VTC. It stands for Visual Traffic Communicator. The product aims to solve the problem of vehicle crashes, traffic congestion, and will thus help in efficient and effective traffic management. We believe it will be the future of hassle-free driving. In brief, the product can be described as a display panel, which displays different messages through symbols on an LED panel. For example, the emergency symbol can be used to tell vehicles behind you that an ambulance, police car, or fire truck is approaching. A remote present with the driver will have different buttons according to the symbols. This remote will be located on the steering wheel.
Let me tell you something about our experience. See the Future Entrepreneur has been an enriching program and has helped us learn new skills which we never explored before, and about how to create and run a pseudo startup. The X Design platform was new to all of us at the beginning, but as time passed, we became well versed with it. All the training sessions organized by Dassault and by our school widened our creativity to a whole new extent. We then turned to think about what product we were going to manufacture. Each one of us came up with around 1 to 2 ideas which we thought were potential products and put them forward to our teachers, mentors, and teammates. Inputs were given, changes were made, and all of us worked hard towards improvement. After a few weeks of deliberation, we all concluded to start the VTC as our final product. To sum it all up, our experience till now has been tremendous and unforgettable. Thank you.